Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Debbie here, and today I have all the stuff to make some slime. So, as you guess, I'm making slime. So, what you'll need is you'll need a bowl to mix in some food colouring. Food colouring is optional. Contact solution. The contact solution has to have boric acid in. Shaving foam, because we're making fluffy slime, and PVA glue. Take off the price tag. PVA glue, and now this is clear glue. Use any type of glue. So I'm gonna get started by taking everything off. So also you'll be needing a pot, so that you can store your slime in, so it will be easier. Let me just check in this pot if it's clean. Better be clean. Oh, it's not even clean. Okay, just clean this up. So, with the food colouring, I would recommend using gel food colouring, because I've got these here, and then I've also got red, a liquid food colouring, and then I've also got green, which they are probably make the slime very liquidy, so you'll need them. So, and you'll also need baking powder or baking soda, any one of them, because they're both the same. So I'm going to start off with shaking up our shaving foam, but you can do that when you're using the shaving foam. So what you do is you get your glue out. So the measurement for the glue is as much as you want, but what I'm doing, I'm just filling the bottom of the bowl for now. So I'm going to fill up the bottom of the bowl, maybe use a bit bigger. So I was going to put the spoon on top of the lid then, as the lid. So we've done the glue. So I've added about that, well, I've added almost full of the bottom. So then you want to get your shaving cream or shaving foam. If you're using shaving gel, I would say mix it up so it turns foamy and then add it in. So we're making clear fluffy slime, so I'm going to put lots of shaving cream to make it super duper fluffy. So that's the fluffiness I am putting in. So then you want to mix that together really good, so the fluffiness mixes with the glue. Super duper fluffy. So then it's almost slime. So I'm just going to mix this up because I didn't add much glue, so mixing it up. As soon as it becomes really watery like that, that's when it's mixed together. So I'm just going to keep mixing it still, just in case. So then what you want to do is, so the third step is get your baking powder or baking soda. I'm just going to say baking powder. I've got right now. So you add one. If it's a small batch, you'll add one or two pinches. But I'm going to add 4, double it, because I doubled the batch. So 4 pinches of baking soda, and the baking soda activates it a little bit, and you need the contact solution to have boric acid in it, so it's easier because the boric acid reacts to the baking soda. So then once you've got your baking powder in, baking soda, you want to mix up really well because you don't want your slime to have clumps in it. So you want to mix it up to two minutes maybe. So I'm just going to mix it up. So I'll be back once I've mixed it up. So now at this point you would want to add your food colouring in. Food colouring is optional, and I'm going to be doing do red mixed with blue. So get the blue out. Put a lot of blue because we'll need a lot of blue. So I'm just going to put two random colours in, which is going to be blue and red. So get the blue in, and then we'll want to, if you're doing like mixing two colours because you don't have the colour, you want to put as much as you want of the first colour, then you want to mix that together. It just looks like so beautiful. So, actually I might leave it blue, I don't know. So, I'm just going to keep mixing that. I can't hold the bowl because I've got it on my hands, but slime's a messy thing, so that's why I have a tray, because it's messy. So mix that all together, bam, 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 bam. So now it's mixed in, I'm going to add my red, but I'm not adding too much red because it's not a lot of blue. Oh, I almost dropped the lid in then. Come on, red. The red's so hard to get out. This red's kind of blood. So I would recommend you guys to use gel, food gel, because then it won't stain like like a little kid's hand. So recommend you get a parent helping you with this as well. Don't know what colour this is turning into, but it looks like it's taking over to red, maybe pink. It's turning pink, guys. Try and move you guys forward so you can see this. Don't matter, it's really bright in here. So I'm just gonna mix this up, and I'll be back once I've mixed it up. So I've made it a little bit darker. Well, yeah. Made the light be better so you can kind of see it. So let's see if the camera focus. No, it's not focusing. Okay, so it is pink. It's a beautiful pink. So once it's mixed in and it's the colour that you want, you're going to add your contact solution with borac acid in it. So I'm going to add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I've done a big batch, I'm going to add 10 drops of contact solution. If you're making a smaller batch, add like 5 drops in at first. So what you want to do is mix it up really, really well. So then it's going to start to thicken, and it's all going to clump together, which you guys can see there. It's clumping together really good. So this is almost slime. It's not slime yet, so let me touch it. Yeah, it's definitely not slime yet. So I'm just going to keep mixing this up, so mix it really well. So it does look really lumpy right now. The camera picks up white. Okay, I'm going to mix this up really well. Okay, so once you've mixed that in really well, you want to add say half of it. Right, just add the same amount because I think you'll need that. That's if you're making a big fluffy batch like mine. I've gone over the limit on shaving cream, but the limit doesn't matter really. sorry, it's my phone. It's almost ready, still sticky. So I'm not going to get it onto the table yet. I'm just going to keep mixing this. Combining. Okay, that's what I mean by messy, so. Also, don't wear any precious clothes like school clothes because it will stick to you. So that's why I'm wearing just some old clothes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So add 10 more drops and I think that will do. Should be stretchy. I might have overdone this. Sorry about the camera view, but I'm just gonna have to do. So now once the slime is coming off the bowl, it will be ready. Oh, that's super duper, almost ready. So I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Okay, it's gonna go off and it's gonna go onto the table. So now what you want to do is start kneading it, like folding it, stuff like that. So, it's super sticky. So I'm gonna get some more contact solution in a minute, but just get it all off my hands so I can get the contact solution off. So I'm gonna pick up all the slime that's left. Okay. So at this minute you are officially almost done. All you want to do, because it's super sticky, see, super sticky, you want to just add 10 more drops. Of contact solution. So then you want to just smudge it around like that, and then you want to knead it the same. Ugh, it's really sticky. Oh my gosh, yeah, the contact solution is working. So this is a really big fluffy slime batch, so it's not as stretchy, which that is okay, because all I want to do is squeeze it, it's that nice. So it looks super duper pretty. So that's how you make it. And in another video, I'm going to make some more slime, which is not going to be as fluffy. So, there it is, my slime. So that is how you make slime. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and try and make this slime. If it don't work, comment down below. So, love you guys. Be a fluffy slime.